friends! Welcome back to Learning with Bella and Lana. Today we're making something very special, a gift for Father's Day. We'll be using our hands and feet to create a beautiful painting for Daddy. Are you ready, Bella?
Yes.
Good job! But first, remember to always ask a grown-up like me to help you with this. So what are we going to do, Bella?
I want to develop paint.
Very good. So we're going to paint our hands and our feet to create a beautiful painting for Daddy, okay?
Yes.
So first, we need some paper or canvas, some washable paint, and a brush or a sponge. Now let's get our colors ready. We'll need yellow, green, blue,
Blue,
white,
white,
brown,
brown,
purple,
purple,
and black.
and black.
Good job.
Wait.
Okay, let's start with Lana's foot. We'll use blue paint for this. Bella is going to help us mix the colors.
Yay!
Good job. We need a lot of blue for Lana's foot.
Yes.
Very good. Let's mix it.
Yes!
Yay! Now it's time to paint Lana's foot. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Paint, paint, paint. Then we press her foot down on the paper or canvas. Yay! We did it! Next, it's Bella's turn with her hand. Oh, that's your turn now. This time, we need green paint. We already have blue, but what color do we mix with blue to make green?
Yellow.
Good job! Let's add lots of yellow and mix again. Now we have... What color is this one?
Green.
Very good! Okay, time to paint Bella's hand. Paint, paint, paint!
Bella's here and Lana too. We've got so much to share with you. Colors, numbers, stories, fun. Learning together, everyone. Learning with Bella.
And press it down together.
Singing
Very good! Wow! Look at that handprint! Bella is super happy with her handprint! Now, let's add some details.
Detail.
We'll use white to make a circle for the eye. Make sure the paint is dry before adding another color. Then we put a blue dot inside the white circle and black for the mouth. Next, we'll use white again for the teeth. For the horns, we'll use brown. Then we'll add 2 more little white eyes, some purple spots on the side, and a smiley mouth. Finally, let's write Daddy's and Mommy's little monsters. And that's it! Our special Father's Day hand and foot painting gift. You can try this at home with your mommy, daddy, or grandparents too. Don't forget to say Happy Father's
Happy
Day.
Father's Day.
Good job, and give a big hug.
Bye, friends. Thanks for watching.